Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is a short update, of course, for Bitcoin, what it can happen. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and drop your questions and comments below. I would be glad to answer it. Sorry for the previous video. It was like, the mic was turned off and I didn't use this. However, let's move inside Bitcoin. What happened today in Bitcoin? Of course, we are looking here at a kind of a consolidation where we are looking at a possibly finished a triangle, of course, where we have a contracting diagonal first, and then A, B, C, D, E, finishing a wave B here, and then moving it down. Now, possibly that we have finished an ABC, of course, in your bullish scenario, where you have finished a correction. However, you're not ready yet to move up, because this is another correction here, definitely in case we are corrective, where we are looking for an ABC and possibly even a triangle, another triangle for your wave X and another structure for your wave Y. It can be even a flat. It cannot be triangle because your X is already triangle. Therefore, we are looking, of course, a little bit for lower prices. So even if you are bullish after this, I mean, here it's not necessarily that it is triangle, but it looks like so, where you have A, B, C, D, and yeah, we are consolidating still. In case we are corrective, you are looking, of course, for a W as a zigzag, and then triangle here as X, and then another zigzag or a flat, right, for your wave Y. If you are bearish, guys, it's still optional that, of course, that the bearish scenario might still be there, where we have 1, 2, and then you are looking at another 1, 2, and possibly another 1, 2. Now, if we look a little bit internally, I know this is very, very choppy price, but it can still be possible that we have a double 1, 2 here, and another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as an impulse, a small impulse inside it. And of course, we are looking again at 3 waves down, 3 waves up, possibly, and finish 3 waves down. So WXY again, possibly as 1, 2 again, and then here we go, moving a little bit more and more down. However, of course, it's not gonna be easy, guys. It's not gonna be like that. It moves very sharp and very fast, easily, because you know this area is full with still with buyers and still with full with investors that they might think that tomorrow we're gonna get 100K for Bitcoin. Okay, so and as well, you have a lot of sellers as well here. Yeah, a lot of sellers. Therefore, more consolidation or even lower prices, but it's gonna be very, very slow, guys. So these are the updates for now for Bitcoin, until we break like this greed level, right? The greed level in Bitcoin, where a lot of buyers still feel very, very greed to reach higher prices, right? So yeah, we're gonna see how it's gonna play. If it is still corrective and we're gonna get more buyers, then of course we are expecting to move from the 0.38 FIB level at least, because this is a minimum requirement for a wave 2. As we said, it is impossible to get a wave 4 for your wave 2 here in case you are in 1, 2, because your wave 1, it doesn't work. Okay, this is already a zigzag and another zigzag here. And possibly we have finished several 1, 2s here, reaching, of course, our high for our finished diagonal in a bigger view. And we are looking now for a possible W, X, and a Y. Your wave Y might reach, of course, this area, which is at 0.38 FIB level. Now, if we reach this in a 3 waves, of course, corrective, therefore, you are looking for higher prices. The correction is done. More higher prices, yeah, can be catched. If we dive impulsively, of course, then you want to reach these fib levels first and check if it is a 1-2 again. If not, then you want to break, of course, this level and move for lower prices into our bigger scenario at the 4-hour chart, where you are looking, of course, for a diagonal here. And in that case scenario, you are definitely looking at this scenario where you are looking at a contracting diagonal towards the upside, which is the most possible scenario, of course, after breaking the fib levels here, and then moving towards your wave 2 here, where you want to hit a 3 big waves towards the downside as a wave 2, and then moving up again. And possibly this is my highest possibility, to be honest, guys. I prefer, of course, a healthy chart here, and I'm talking here because of the monthly scenario that we saw in our trend, guys, where we are looking, of course, for a parabolic trend here in our monthly. Let me check. If you look here in our parabolic study, and for every cycle where we have made a high, and as you can see, the high has been made before the end of the cycle each time. Here it was exactly on the end, before it a little bit, and then here even more before it. Now this one is already set before it, even before this one, double time. And in this case scenario, guys, if we move up from now, for a wave 5, I mean, it's gonna be very fast and massive. Yeah, it's gonna end around here this time, which is even before almost a 1 year, right, from what it's supposed to be. So it's just a logic analysis here. So what I think here is, at least if I'm gonna take double time here almost, all right, I prefer to have one wave 2, all right, and then formation of 1, 2 again, and then 3, 4, 5, finishing at least with the time of the cycle. And that would be, of course, much more healthier and less stressful for trading. So yeah, these are the things, guys. Let's watch and see what's gonna happen. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.